We can combine two statements in a way that requires both of them to be true, and that is called conjunction. So suppose we have two statements. Alice played video games. Bob read a book. If we want to say that both of these statements are true, what would we say? Well, we would say Alice played video games and Bob read a book, right? We would put the word "and" in between the two sentences. Now, if we have statements with a similar structure, English lets us take a shortcut. If we have the statements, Carol has a cat and Carol has a dog, then if both of them are true, we could say Carol has a cat and Carol has a dog. But we would be more likely to say Carol has a cat and a dog. Okay. And again, we have to make sure that this is not an Alice and Bob had a baby situation. But as long as the combined sentence doesn't throw in any extra information, we can simplify the sentence structure in that way. Now, we have these two statements that we've symbolized. We can symbolize the relationship between them as well. The conjunction of two statements, statement P and statement Q, written as P followed by this upside down V-shaped symbol, followed by Q. We see this, and we read that. We say P and Q. Is the statement that's true when both statements are true? It's false otherwise. So in this truth table, we see all possible combinations of truth values of P and Q. P and Q are independent statements here. And then in this column, we have the value of P and Q, computed from the value of P and the value of Q. And we see in the truth table that if both P and Q are true, their conjunction is true. The rest of the time, the conjunction is false. So there's only one way for the conjunction to be true, and that is if both of the statements in the conjunction are true.